Good morning. My name is Chetan Gaikwad. Today we are going to study the waste heat recovery system. Okay, the unit outcomes are the explain the need of waste heat recovery of the given thermal power plants. And topics to be covered are the waste heat recovery introduction, need of waste heat recovery, opportunities of waste heat recovery, present practice of waste heat recovery. Waste heat recovery unit is an energy recovery unit exchanger that transfers heat from process outputs at high temperatures to another or part of the process or for some purposes, usually to increase the efficiency. Waste heat may be extracted from sources such as hot flue gases from a diesel generator, steam from cooling towers, or even waste water from cooling process such as in steel cooling. Waste heat is a heat which is generated in a process by way of fuel combustion or chemical reaction, and then the essential quality of heat is not the amount of but rather its a value. The waste heat found in the exhaust gas of various processes or even from the exhaust stream of a conditioning unit can be used to preheat the incoming gas. This is one of the basic methods for recovery of waste heat. Many steel making plants use this process as an economic method to increase the production of the plant with lower fuel demand. In the figure you can see that fuel is there, heat generation, boiler or heaters, process, cooling and surrounding. Then in next chart it is given that fuel, heat generation from the boiler, then process, then cooling, then again taking the heat from the process, giving to the process and giving to the heat generation device, and last is goes to the surrounding. The dumped heat that can still be used, value quality more important and then quality quantity. Waste heat recovery saves fuel and increases the thermal efficiency. An effective way to increase the energy efficiency is to recover the waste heat. Thank you.